Hey guys, John, Vapor Hunting Technologies here today, coming to you with a smaller teardown cart. This cart is 18 by 36 inches wide, and it is built completely overkill. That's how we do it here. We go completely over the top. One of the bigger carts you saw in another video. This is a smaller version, and this cart is still pretty darn heavy. It's 12 gauge stainless steel or 12 gauge carbon steel, powder coated. The purpose of these carts are so that you can contain fluids such as oils, any antifreeze, any gasoline, any liquid that you need to contain and dispose of properly. These carts are good for that because they have drainage in the top, and the tops are sloped. So what you can see on the front side here is actually a bin that can be removed with the liquid inside, and you can dispose of that properly, but it's neatly tucked away and organized underneath the top. Also on the bottom side, an additional shelf for any type of cleaners or rags or any other type of storage that you might need on the bottom. And also it would come with locking casters as well. But these carts are fantastic for smaller engines that you're tearing down. They fit perfectly on here. If you need to use your engine stand on top of here, it's a perfect way, because these carts are strong enough to hold, this cart would be strong enough to hold at least 500 pounds. This cart is extremely overbuilt. So you can obviously put any type of motorcycle engine or dirt bike engine on top of here and tear it down. So hopefully you can use this in your shop, and it will be a huge asset to you. It is for us, and that's why we built it, and that's why we want to offer it to you as well. But these will be available for sale. You'll be able to find them in the description below. Just follow that link. Let me rephrase this. There is some assembly required with this product. Obviously, it's just nuts and bolts, nothing major, and we have a full detailed video on how to do that and how to set this thing up and assemble it properly. It's going to take you about 10 minutes to put it together, but once you do have it together, this thing's not going anywhere. You cannot destroy this cart. It's built to last, as we do everything at Vapor Hunting Technology. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And as always, thanks for watching.